Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafatahir and I'm back with another video. So guys, in this video we will see that how we can utilize the set state in our alert dialog. So guys, before proceeding to the implementation part, let's first create an initial alert dialog. For that I'm creating a new function, passing one parameter, that is build context, and utilizing the built-in show dialog. Pass this context and return the initial alert dialog. Having a title, choose mode, content, I'm just initially applying text something, and just pass this function to your on pressed hot restart. Let's test this one. Okay, so we got the initial dialog. So now what's the next thing? We will create two checkboxes with the respective fields, and then we would switch in between this dialog. So first I need to convert this stateless to stateful widget because we have to utilize setState. Okay, after successful creation, I will create another variable, bool variable is checked is false, and initially I'll create another method which will help us toggle in between. So toggle checked, pass a value, and then simply pass this x is checked to this value. Okay, we are done with that. Now we have to create two text fields. I will just replace this text with a column. Wrap would be better, and set the alignment to wrap alignment dot center, and I'll be creating two text fields, and I'll be creating two checkboxes. Checkbox list style. Initial value would be this bool value. On changed, provide an initial parameter, and I'll apply this toggle and apply this value here. Since this is null safety, so we have to and applying a title, let's say auto mode, and I'll create another one for auto manual mode. It's time to test it. Yes, it is working fine. Now we need to utilize the main function. So to implement setState in AlertDialog, we have to make use of StatefulBuilder. StatefulBuilder will help us enable the functions inside an AlertDialog. So how to utilize it? Well, inside this content property, I will just replace this whole widget with a stateful builder, which has a builder property. So there are two parameters, required parameters. First is the context and second one is the set state of itself. And now just return. Now we have to modify some changes. One thing I mistakenly did. We have two modes, so we have to create two variables for that. So I'll create a duplicate of this and let's say name it to auto mode and this to manual mode. And I have initial only one parameter. I have to utilize another to pass the state. So I'll creating another variable, let's say state, and I will replace the set state with the state provided by the stateful builder, and I'll check it manual mode for manual and auto mode okay. So now we have to make some changes for auto mode and for after this value apply the set state as a parameter, and same with this manual mode, apply set state here. Now I will hot restart. We are done with the complete implementation. It's time to test it. After a successful hot restart, press. Now test it. Click this mode, uncheck, check, check, uncheck. You can see that it is working quite fine. So we had a successful implementation of a stateful builder. So here guys, I will wind up this video. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and within your community, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like my content, and check out my other playlist too. And thank you so much guys for supporting me and watching my videos. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.